Preventing fisheyes in your resin is easy. If you know the one thing that causes them, it all comes down to how your resin bonds with the surface. Fix the bond and you fix the finish. Fisheyes happen because something on the surface is blocking the resin. Because tabletop is a thick formula, it doesn't just spread over contamination, it actually pulls away from it. This can be caused by an oily patch on wood, tape residue, or even a single fingerprint. Dust is another big enemy. If a tiny particle lands on your wet pour, the resin shifts around it and creates a crater. Even your application method matters. If you spread the resin too thin, it doesn't have the weight to glide over tiny flaws. It breaks apart and makes every small imperfection look huge. The solution starts with prep. Clean your surface with a proper solvent and let it dry completely. Once it's clean, treat it like fresh paint and never touch it with bare hands. Skin oils are hidden saboteurs for epoxy. Next up, always pour a true flood coat of exactly 3mm. This depth gives craft resin the weight it needs to self-level into a perfect mirror. Use a spreader to gently guide the resin to the edges. Don't scrape it thin like you are applying glue. Finally, turn off all fans and heaters. Keeping the air still for a few hours prevents dust from landing on your masterpiece. Clean the surface, don't touch it, and pour at the right depth. These 3 steps make fisheyes a thing of the past. Share this video with a maker who keeps blaming their resin instead of their own prep, and tell me in the comments, do your craters usually show up on wood, artwork, or something else? Let's solve it together.